Ever wondered how to correctly fill out an OSHA 300 log before the February 1st posting deadline? Well, you've come to the right place. The OSHA 300 log is an integral part of maintaining a safe and healthy working environment, particularly within healthcare settings. This document is designed to record work-related injuries and illnesses, providing a clear snapshot of workplace safety over the course of a year. Keeping accurate records is not just a matter of compliance, it's about understanding patterns, identifying potential risks, and taking proactive steps to ensure the well-being of your team. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk you through the process, breaking it down into manageable steps. And don't worry, you won't need to scribble notes. We've got a free OSHA 300 log form waiting for you at our website, www.healthcarecomplianceacademy.com. Stay tuned as we dive into the step-by-step process of filling out these logs. The first step in filling out an OSHA 300 log is identifying work-related injuries and illnesses. Now, what does this encompass exactly? Well, we're talking about any condition that has resulted in several key outcomes. These may include death, days taken off work, restricted work, or even a transfer to another job. It could also involve medical treatment that goes beyond first aid, instances of loss of consciousness, or the diagnosis of a significant illness. You see, it's not just about those immediately apparent injuries. It's about understanding the broader health implications that can emerge from a workplace incident. And why is this important? Because by accurately identifying these work-related injuries and illnesses, you're taking a critical step in maintaining a safe and healthy workplace. Remember, it is crucial to accurately identify work-related injuries and illnesses to maintain a safe and healthy workplace. Once you've identified a work-related injury or illness, the next step is to record the details of the incident. Recording the incident details is not just about filling in the blanks, it's about painting a clear picture of what happened. To start, you will need to note the date of the injury or illness. This creates a timeline that helps in understanding the progression of the incident. Next, jot down the name and job title of the employee involved. This information is crucial as it provides context about the nature of the work and potential risks involved. Lastly, write a brief description of the incident. Be as detailed as possible. Describe where and how the incident happened. Remember, this isn't a time for guesswork or assumptions. It's about facts. Accurate recording is key to ensuring that your OSHA 300 log is complete and compliant. So take your time and get it right. Remember, you can always download a free 300 log form from our website, www.healthcarecomplianceacademy.com. Thank you from Healthcare Compliance Academy, where we keep you updated, organized, and informed. After recording the details, the next step is classifying the case. This is a crucial stage in the OSHA 300 log process as it helps to quantify the impact of the injury or illness on your workplace. Here, you'll be making a judgment call based on the severity of the incident. There are several classifications you'll need to be familiar with. These include death, days away from work, job transfer, or restriction, among others. If the incident resulted in death, then the classification is straightforward. However, if the incident led to days off work or a job transfer, you'll need to assess the severity and the potential duration of the restriction. Other recordable cases might be less severe, but must still be recorded to maintain an accurate log. Every incident, regardless of its severity, tells a story about the safety in your workplace. Properly classifying the case helps in understanding the impact of the injury or illness on your workplace. So, you've identified, recorded, and classified. Now what? Well, you've just completed the 3 major steps in filling out the OSHA 300 logs. Remember, the first step is identifying work-related injuries and illnesses. Then, you move on to recording the details of the incident. Finally, you classify the case. But don't forget, the deadline for posting these logs is February 1st. That's not so far away, so it's crucial to get started as soon as possible. And here's a piece of good news. You can get a free 300 log form from our website, www.healthcarecomplianceacademy.com. This process might seem daunting, but it's all part of creating a safer, healthier work environment. It's about prevention, protection, and peace of mind for everyone involved. Thank you from Healthcare Compliance Academy, where we keep you updated, organized, and informed. Remember, a compliant workplace is a safe workplace.